Okay, y'all, so I just came from getting my hair straightened and trimmed, and he did something different this time, and he used like a hot comb, but it was like one of the ones that you plug in the wall. So he said that it's at the same temperature as the flat irons, but the way he kept going over my hair over and over and over with it kind of scared me, because I only do one pass. So I don't know, that scared me. But then he only did it on my roots, sorta. He dragged it down some of my hair, but not all of it. But then he used a flat iron for the rest. Like, I only do one pass on the flat iron, so that kind of scared me. But thank God my hair was protected, because I protected my hair before I got here, and then he protected it more. So I'm hoping that helps. And he did a trim on my hair. He said I only needed not even a half an inch, I think like a quarter of an inch. So that's really great. And I'm thinking about going into the store and getting a shampoo. Actually, I'm gonna go in there real quick and see if they got the shampoo that I use on my hair. So I went to Trader Joe's just to see if they had the Dr. Bronner soap that I usually use, the peppermint soap. And they had it in a 32-ounce bottle. So I asked the guy there. He said they don't have it no more. They don't sell it no more. They had the Trader Joe's Castle peppermint soap, and it's in a smaller bottle. He said they used to sell Dr. Bronner's in the bigger bottle, and the Trader Joe's brand replaced it in the smaller bottle. And then when I was looking at it, the soap looked fine, but one of the bottles, there was white soap like sitting at the bottom of the bottle, and I've never seen it like that. So I mean, of course if you shake it up, but I never had to do that before with Dr. Bronner. So I don't know. Not saying I don't trust Trader Joe's, but I kind of want to stick to what I've already been using, which is the Dr. Bronner's Castle peppermint soap. So I may have to go to like Target or Walmart or something like that just to get it. But anyways, this is the end of this video, or this part of the video, I don't know. And see, he said he didn't really have to trim a lot off. Of course, this is the front of my hair, this is the back right here, so when I flip it back it's the same length. But that's about it. He said it looked like I have bundles in my hair, which I have gotten questions before, but this looks good. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.